How to view popular dishes and photos on Yelp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you want to know what dishes are a must try before heading to a restaurant, well, in this video, I'll show you how to view popular dishes and food photos on the Yelp app so you never miss out the best bites. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, you can just tap on the search bar at the top and find the restaurant you are interested in. And here you can search by the name or browse by nearby places. And here, once you have searched for it, you can just tap on the restaurant from the search result to open its Yelp page. And after that, you simply have to scroll down a little until you see the popular dishes section, and there you will find the most recommended menu items based on users' reviews and photos. So, there you can just tap on any dish to view detailed reviews, ratings, and user uploaded photos of that particular item. And if you want to see more, you can just tap the Photos tab at the top of the restaurant page to explore all uploaded images, including food, drinks, and interior shots. You can also use filters like food, menu, or insight to narrow down the type of photos that you want to see. And that's it. That's how you can easily browse popular dishes and photos on the Yelp app before choosing where to eat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.